AI can write essays, answer questions, and create art, but most people don't actually understand how it works. It's not magic, it's not thinking. So, what is it? 5 things that explain how AI actually works. No hype, no jargon. Let's start with the biggest misconception. AI doesn't think. When you ask it a question, it's not reasoning or reflecting. It's predicting the most statistically likely response based on patterns from billions of examples. Think of it like autocomplete on your phone, but trained on every book, article, and website it could find. It doesn't understand what it's saying, it's just very good at predicting what should come next. AI hallucinates. That means it confidently makes up completely false information. Why? Because AI doesn't know the difference between truth and probability. If something sounds right based on patterns, it'll say it, even if it's fabricated. It doesn't fact-check, it doesn't verify, it just outputs whatever fits the pattern best. AI learns by being fed billions of examples. During training, it analyzes massive datasets, books, websites, code, and adjusts its internal values to recognize patterns. It doesn't understand meaning. It only knows that certain words appear near other words in specific patterns. That's why it can write fluently without understanding what it's writing. Training AI requires staggering amounts of power. GPT-4 has over 1 trillion parameters. Training it cost over $100 million and consumed enough electricity to power thousands of homes for a year. Every time you ask AI a question, it performs trillions of calculations in real time. It's not magic, it's brute force computation on a scale most people can't imagine. Here's the unsettling part. Even the people who build AI don't fully understand how it works. It's called the black box problem. AI makes billions of adjustments across trillions of parameters, and we can't trace why it chose one answer over another. It's powerful, but it's also a mystery. AI isn't as intelligent as it seems. It's pattern recognition operating at a scale we've never seen before. Free breakdown. All 5 facts with full context. Link below.